What are we doing every day? We're moving our bodies every single day. Let's get started. Nice gentle walk just to warm up. 10 minutes, low impact. Real movement that matters. Functional fitness that helps us move through the day with incredible strength. We can do the things we love to do with more ease. There's no perfect workout, no perfect exercise. Just finding movement that we really enjoy, keeps us showing up every day. We can honor our bodies. Let's take our little walk and just kick. Just get warmed up. Move the arms, kick out those feet. Connect to the breath. We're gonna move with intention today. Okay. Touch your toe. Bring the leg up as much as you need. But get a bit of a back bend as much as suits you. Remember, we're always modifying. We're all at different stages. Some days we're nice and loose. So this could maybe look like this if you're not so loose today. Oh, okay, I just gotta get warm, but just wanna move. Maybe things are feeling good. Head up. We get a little bounce in our step if we're feeling it. Okay, let's stretch it out to the side. Put that leg out as far as you can, and maybe that's this. If you're just getting back into it, first workout in a while, whatever. Any movement that's done intentionally is good movement. We don't need to run marathons to be healthy. Just accept where you're at, and we'll move forward from there. Feel a great stretch in the side body. Yes, yes. And let's walk again. Maybe we pick up the pace just a little bit now. There's really great data on the people that live the longest, and they're not in the gym all the time. I don't think they focus or even use the word exercise. They're just moving naturally, finding ways to move their bodies every single day. Doesn't seem like a punishment, but a pleasure. Whether that's walking up hills or gardening, playing with kids and grandchildren, whatever it might be, we just want to move every single day. Kick those legs out. Yes, let's touch the toe. Can we get a little bit deeper this time? Maybe bend the back just a little bit more. Head up nice and high. The shoulders back. Maybe, do we have a little tiny bounce in the step? Are we feeling it yet? 3, 2, 1. Stretch it out. Come on. Oh, yes. Firing up the metabolism. First thing in the day, possibly. Maybe we're winding down. So then you're gonna slow it down. Just nice, gentle movement. To increase the quality of your sleep. Brilliant. Or, I wanna go hard. Yes. 3, 2, 1. We are good. Okay. Side step. Reach back. We're building mobility in the upper back. Strengthen the legs. And I'm gonna, and again, maybe this is where you're at. And focus on your posture. Shoulders back, head up high, chest out, real dignified. I can take it a little further though. I can come to the side. Maybe I bring the leg up a couple times. Build balance, strength, mobility in this one move. But again, maybe this is what you got today. Hallelujah. You're here, you're moving, but I feel this move. Just a couple, yes. Maybe you lift it up a little bit higher. Open up that chest, catch your balance. Last one. On each side. Do we hold it there for a second and then we fall? It's okay, we're back. You know me, strong legs, sharp mind. We're building squat, reach up, drive the knee. Forgot to reach up. Drew, reach up. We want to be able to reach real high. We get into those things in the top part of the cupboard, right? Squat, reach, then knee drive. Squat, reach. Progress, whoa, over perfection. You know it. And again, you could have the tiniest little movement here. Would be perfectly great. A tiny little squat, a little reach, small knee drive. It's all great. Maybe you can sink a little bit deeper with each one. Drive the knee a little higher. And again, I keep forgetting to reach up. Reach. There we go. One more, the best movement, and we'll get it right. Squat, reach, drive, drive. Brilliant. Shake that out a bit. Okay, so I want to come into a skater. This can look so different, and depending on what you want to accomplish, do as you like. Maybe you're just a little tap, and I can head up high, swing my arms, real dignified posture. I can reach it further back and really stretch out the glutes. Want to get more of a stretch, sink a little deeper, building more strength. Or I can go with pace, get the heart rate up. You do this, that suits you the best. I'm feeling like picking up the pace a bit today. You can pick up the pace and come down a bit. We get to the other side. Real great mobility move. Oh, I like this. Yeah. Challenge yourself. Bring that knee down. Ooh. Ooh, one more. Oh, you feel that? Mwah. Lovely, lovely. Okay. We're walking. I'm going forwards, and I'm gonna do a lunge. I'm gonna come backwards, and I'm gonna come down. So I'm just focusing on bringing the left leg down, just a few backwards and forwards. My reminder to walk again tonight. Try walking backwards when you're out up a hill walking backwards. Incredible strength, balance that's going to build, as well as proprioception. One more here. And I'll go the other way, just so that now we're going to bring down the right leg. Maybe it's just the tiniest little lunge for you. Maybe you get all the way down. No worries. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the journey. Okay. One more going forward. My Rest, lunge, and going back. Nice work. Let's finish with one last exercise. Strong lower back. Just bend forward. Get as deep as you can. Hold it there for a moment. Come on up. And then let's just drive the knee a bit. Bend your knees as generously as you need. Drive the knees again. Let's do a few like that. Now, let's bend. Let's drive the knee. Hold it for a moment. Down. Hold it for a moment. Down. Hold. Hold. Gauge your core. Bend. Ooh, I lost that one. Two more, come on. Bend, real focused, real intention. Hold. Hold. Down. Hold it. Hold it. Yes! You feeling good? Let me know how this went today. Well done. Let's just take a moment. Movement matters so much. Any movement, but one breath can make such a difference also. Let's just focus on the one breath that you may use today. When you're frustrated, things just aren't going right. Can I just take one conscious breath and see what that does for us? So that we respond rather than react. So let's just focus, one breath. Just in and out. Just connect to your breath. Bring all your attention to the breath. Let's do a few here. It's just kind of a primer for the day to use the breath just to connect, to find more patience, more awareness. One more, the most conscious breath you've taken all day. Really breathe in, hold it there for a moment, and exhale. Oh, I feel amazing. I hope you do too. I'm clearly gonna work on the squat, overhead reach, knee drive. We'll get that one right next time. Progress over perfection, you know it. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, your body is so precious. Treat it with care today and every day. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.